Let's face it, stock battery tie downs, they suck. They're ugly, they usually don't work that well, and you've probably already lost yours if you pulled your car apart. So why not upgrade to a brand new battery tray from Proflow? So unlike your crusty old battery tie down that you've lost, these ones are made from billet aluminium, so they're a really nice pretty piece, and they're super functional. Every single tie down kit comes with the tray, the rods, the bolts, and the actual clamp to go on top of the battery, so you get everything you need in one kit. That means they're suitable for either dressing up your engine bay with your existing battery location, or if you need room in your engine bay or you've got a 4x4 with multiple batteries, you can relocate a battery and have it as a self-sufficient unit, safe and clamped down. All the kits are billet aluminium, but there are variations depending on what you would like, so check that out for yourself. And there are two different types of finishes to choose from. You can either get the really shiny chrome plated one here, or a nice black subtle finish as well. While you're there, you can also get a battery. Proflow now stock Optima batteries and a few others, so to check out what you need and get a one-stop shop, head to proflow.com.au.